Reflect Webchat AI is one of the most exciting AI tools that's just been released, and if you're curious about it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down the 7 crucial things you need to know about Reflect Webchat AI. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or just exploring AI tools, you'll want to stick around because this tool has some serious potential to change the way we engage with customers and clients. First off, Reflect Webchat AI stands out by focusing on enhancing customer communication in real time. It integrates directly into your website and offers an AI-powered chat feature that engages with visitors, providing fast and accurate responses 24/7. The big win here is that it's not just reactive, it's proactive, reaching out to visitors based on their behavior, encouraging engagement before they even ask. One of the coolest features is its seamless integration with existing systems. Reflect Webchat AI doesn't just drop a chatbot on your site and call it a day. It connects with your CRM, your email marketing system, and even social media, meaning it can provide a consistent, unified experience for both you and your customers. You can track interactions, follow up on leads, and even schedule appointments all within the same platform. If you're someone who lives in your CRM, this is a game changer. The AI itself is built to learn and improve over time, making it more efficient with every interaction. The more it chats, the smarter it gets, understanding the nuances of your business and adjusting its responses accordingly. It's impressive how quickly it adapts to different types of customers and conversations. Now, let's talk about customization. One size doesn't fit all, and Reflect Webchat AI recognizes that. You can fine-tune how the AI responds based on the kind of service or product you offer. It's not just about answering questions. It's about giving personalized responses that align with your brand voice. Whether you want a casual tone or a professional one, you have the control. Another standout is the analytics dashboard. Reflect Webchat AI provides deep insights into customer interactions. You can see metrics like how long people are staying on your page, what they're engaging with most, and when they're most likely to need assistance. These insights allow you to optimize your website and sales funnel in real time, improving conversion rates and customer satisfaction. For those of you worried about AI being impersonal or robotic, Reflect Webchat AI truly bridges that gap. It can handle complex queries with impressive accuracy. However, if things get tricky, the handoff to a human is smooth and easy. There's no awkward moment where the conversation just dies. It's a seamless transition, ensuring that customers always feel heard. Finally, you can try Reflect Webchat AI completely free by clicking the first link below. It's one of the best ways to experience how it can elevate your website's customer service and engagement. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI features, it's definitely worth exploring. If you've been trying various AI tools and are looking for something that packs a punch, Reflect Webchat AI is definitely a contender. It can be a major asset to your business if used right. Now, before you go, make sure to check out the other AI tools I recommend in the description below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and these are my top picks for boosting productivity, sales, and customer engagement. Don't forget to explore the free trial of Reflect Webchat AI and see for yourself how it can transform your digital marketing efforts.